My school name is FGEN English School Nonglang. My name is Dateihunshisha Nonglang. I study in class KG1. I am 4 years old. Sing high, sing low, sing absolutely everywhere I go. Oh, I am thinking about Jesus love for me. Oh, I am singing about how He set me free. Oh, I am bringing it up to everyone. The wonder of Jesus' love. Die upon the cross and rose again to save the lost. Forgive me now of all my sins. Come be my Savior, Lord and friend. Change my life and make it new. And help me, Lord, to live for you. Show me your ways, your truth. All my hope is found in you. I trust in you, Lord, I trust in you, Lord. Day by day and step by step, my hope is you. Shami nero kiti nga onga I etang yami. Shami mitlah hikmat nganyai dams imru tang yami. Donut katrang ban mane yame sintang aiti ya lade. Dear Lord, fill a few hands up to me, good and sweet and day, truth and everything say and do, in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you.